In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to your Mailchimp campaign in just 5 minutes. This fun and creative feature can really make your emails pop, grab your audience's attention, and engage them like never before. So let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. This is essential because all the magic happens right within the platform. Once you're logged in, make your way over to the Campaigns tab. You'll find this at the top of your dashboard. Click on the All Campaigns option. Here lies the power to reach your audience, but today we're going to jazz it up with a GIF. With all your active campaigns displayed, it's time to choose which one you'd like to sprinkle a little extra flair on. Select the campaign you're working on and click on the Edit option. This will open up the campaign settings and design options, which is where the fun begins. Now, scroll down to the section labeled Content. Here's where you're going to make your email shine. Click on Edit Design to open up the email editor. This is the creative suite where you can manipulate and customize to your heart's content. You'll need to select a content block within your email template where you'd like the GIF to appear. These blocks are the building elements of your email, much like assembling a Lego masterpiece. Choose wisely to ensure your GIF complements the surrounding content and enhances the overall message. After selecting your content block, click on the image block option. This step is pivotal as it's the gateway to uploading your image, or in our case, a GIF. Look for the option that says upload an image. This will allow you to bring your GIF into the Mailchimp editor. Here's where we add a little animation. On the left panel, you'll see an option for GIF. Click on this to access a world of delightful animated possibilities. Browse through the selection or search specifically for the GIF that captures the essence of your message and fits seamlessly into your campaign's theme. Found the perfect GIF? Excellent. Select it and then hit Insert. This straightforward action places your animated image into the campaign, adding an eye-catching element that's sure to engage your recipients. And there you have it. With your GIF seamlessly integrated into your email marketing campaign, you've transformed an ordinary message into something dynamic and compelling. Remember, using GIFs is all about striking the right balance. Too many can be overwhelming, but the right one can make a significant impact. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy emailing with Mailchimp, and see you in the next video.